RCHUB International Foundation for Research and Education, and ISO certified.
All the participants for third day session, which we'll mainly focusing on with the generative AI. So first day we have seen about how far the generative AI is useful. And second day, we have discussed about synthetic data generation using generative AI. And now we would go for the third day, today's sessions about building a complete analytic concepts with the help of generative AI. So this is our today's sessions, what we are going to show. So now I would like to go for with the presentation. Yeah. Oh, I think you can see my screen. Now I'm going here, right? So today our concept is to make building a complete analytical concepts. It can be related to research, or it can be your official work, or it can be any work related to official. So it is not common to research. It is not common to official works. Anything you can done here with the help of building a complete analytics. So today, what we are going to see about the 10 topics, very simply, I'll go with all the 10 topics. First one, data collection and preparation. Second one, data analysis. Third one, visualization. Fourth one, analysis and forecasting. Fifth one, automation insight. And sixth one, personalize the dashboard. So whatever you want, you can create your own dashboard. Real-time monitoring and predictive. And next one, it's of tool and platform of AI. And last two things are simple. It is benefit and challenges. Instead of listening the session, if you're working with AI, then you can able to get practice. It's just like cooking. When we started first cooking, we cannot able to get a clear item of a product. So only by practice, we can able to make it. So this is what by practice only we can able to learn. So you should not afraid of taking any AI related to your official works. Because we may follow the traditional method. Suppose if one Excel has been given to you and you want to select the person or how much mark he got, how much pass he's got, what is the number of person who has got 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, then manually we used to calculate everything. But nowadays, we no need. Of course, we can use Excel also, and we have to write the formula from this range to this range, and this range to this range, and this range to this range. I want to get the values. So in order to avoid that, better we can go for any AI. So we can start our sessions today. So the first thing, it is about data collection and preparation. So whenever we come for data collection and preparations with the generative AI, first thing we can go here with 4 concepts: database, API, website, and document. So this is our first point, data collection. So we go on 4 concepts. What are the 4 concepts? First one is of database, second one is of API, third one is of website, and fourth one it is of document. Okay. So now I go with the chat GPT. So whatever the chat GPTs, if you want, you can go here. I'll come back so that you can go here. So better I can go for, if you want to go with Ninja AI, you can go with Ninja AI. So I'm going with an Ninja AI and I'm going to take a chat GPT also. Okay, so I'll come here with chat GPT and you can see, better we can go here, right? And you can see here. I want to hide it, make it in, right? Anyway, right now, when I go for here, let me come with the concepts here. I'll go here because it's minimized, right? When I come for Ninja, right? So first 4 concepts are there. What is the first 4 concepts? First one, it is of database. Second one, it is of, we can see here, I'll hide the meeting, right? But I can go here. Yeah. Right. Just a minute, I'll come here. Right. I'll go make it right. So this is the thing. And when I come for chat GPT, now I'm going with the chat GPT in order to make it. So first one, it is of database. Second one, it is of website. So third one, it is, we can go here. 4 types we can see here. So I'll go with the login, then you can be very clear for me, right? So you can see, I want to add the database. For example, if you have any database, you can go for database. And now you can see there are different types of chatting is also created here. create a chart based on my data. So I'm going to click create a chart based on my data. So I want to pass the data and I want to create a chart. Let me go here. And what is the data format? I'm going to upload the data. So I had one Excel file, which consists of students' performance, which has been taken in the website only. So I'm taking the students' performance here, right? And I need a chart based on mark. I'm going to give it chart based on marks here, right? So I'm coming here. So it is of chart based on marks, right? So I can go here. It is analyzing the data and you can see how far the data has been presented. So this is based on the gender and the groups, and it is coming here with the marks and so the gender of score trend. So they are suggesting us to come with a chatbot. So this is an Excel file. I'll show the Excel file also, what all the data is there. So we no need to go for any analyzation. So the chat GPTs can give it with an analyzation. So you can see the chart which has been generated. So based on the gender scorecard, and you can see that the average score in gender in maths, reading, and writing. So 3 types of that. So if you want, I'll show the data set, what I had been make it here, right? You can see this is the data Excel sheet I'm having here, right? And you can see here. Now you can see this is the detail. I'll show that this is the data generated here by the AI only. I generated the data from the AI. So these are all the formats I'm having here. So it is of math score, and it is of reading score, and it is of writing score, so that you can see that. So whatever the data, it can be of n number of data, no problem at all. You can see around in this database 1001 data are there. So whatever the analysis you want to, you can make it here. Suppose I want to make it with group B, right? Make it a group B score, right? Group B score. Better I can write here. It is a group B score. So this is the analyzations will be taken from the same database, right? And you can see that how much score is resulted for max of reading score and writing score and data types it is there, right? So these are all the scores which has been there. So similarly, if you want go score C or show the score distribution. So I'm coming here with the score distribution. All the chatbots has been provided here. This is the one thing which is coming here. So you can go like this way also, right? Right. So this is the way in which we can able to generate. Sometimes it shows that error, right? So if you want, you can go here with the ninjas and we can go here. I'm coming here with ninjas. Same thing you can ask here. And ninjas also you can see this is the AI for image of a chef, research Amazon. And if you want to build an application, you can go for coder, or if you want recommendations, we can come for an advisor. Suppose I want to do, give me a suggestion to do research, right, in the latest technology. So I'm coming here. This is the way I take this technology. If I give like this, you can see it will go for suggesting what are all the rapid growth is there. You can see that nowadays is AI is very familiar also. So you can see we can go here. What are all the recent things which has been coming here? It is explainable AI or AGI. Nowadays, the researchers started with AI only. So what the AI has to do and everything has to AI do. Even for school days, nowadays, they are coming here with the AI concepts. So you can see these are all the things which has been coming here for an AI. And if you can go here with in-depth, see the academic journals, whatever the journals you want or conferences were here, right? So all those things can be making here. So the first point, it is with the database. So I'm making a database and I'm passing here. And second one, if you want the website, right? I can go here with any website. Better we can go here with the AI itself. I think someone has been messaging here. I want to know that, right? Right. Anyway, no problem at all. Right now, I want to go with the messages. Suppose I'm going with the AI and I want to say that I want which topics I needed for the latest technology and list out the website, which related to any technology or whatever the thing you want, which is related to silver nano technology. I am saying that it is about silver nano technology. So it will provide the list of website which has been available, right? So you can see search engine, from the search engines, it's provide the answers. So see what all the things is available for the nanotechnologies, and you can see what all the references has been given through online. So if you want to go with the nanotechnologies, you can go here and you can find out what are all the things. So one, it is of database, another one, it is of website. We can go with the first slide. That's what I'm saying that. And you can see here it is of API, and also I want a weather API or some other APIs about the humidity APIs, right? So better I can go here it with the weather API. I'm coming here with weather API website. So what are all the API I need to go for the research? See, this AI is not only meant for research. We can go for general concepts also. Even our officials' work can be reduced with the help of this AI. Rarely I'm saying that. Suppose if you want to collect 1,000 data or 2,000 data, this analyzations can be given by this AI. So I'm taking only two things. If you are interested, you can go with any AI which you are comfortable. According to me, this AI is comfortable for me. Ninja is very comfortable for me, so I am preferring Ninjas. If you are interested to go with some other APIs also, you can go here. Whether if it is of official or personal, or we can go here with the research side like this, we can go here. So these are all the things you can see here. What are all the benefits and how far they are coming here, and what are all the reference tools which has been used here. So this is our first point when I come for data analytics. You can see here. Sorry, I'll go here. So this is the first point which is coming here. Database, API, website, and even a PDF document. I can pass a PDF document and I can able to summarize also. So what this paper has been given here. So for example, if I want to pass the file, suppose any PDF file, you can just pass it and you can make it a summarization, summarize the following thing. Very clear. Suppose you look at that. Yesterday PPT I had been there, so I'll pass the yesterday's. So I think I want to log in. Better I'll go here with login, right? Right. I'll go here with the login, and then we can decide how it is going to be happen, right? So when I come for login, we can see if I want to pass a PowerPoint yesterday class, what I have been taken here. So now I'm going to take my. Better I go here, right? Right. So you can see yesterday PowerPoint presentations, what I had been done here. I'll go with here, right? I think it can be updated only students file, right? Right. Better I go here. Suppose I want to make, now you can look at it. I'm going to download one image file. I download the one image file and now summarize the content. So this is the way we can document uploaded here. Whatever the documents you want, you can upload here and it will be generated here. But everywhere the net is needed. We needed more internet facilities should be needed here, and you need that. So this is the one image which has been downloaded, and you can see that the diagram consists of 8 key applications, which is mainly including the images and text generation. All those things has been given here. So this is the way for uploading the messages and everything. So this is the first point when I come for data collection. And second point, so this is the data collection and you can use anything with an first one it is about here. The second point, it is smart cleaning. It is used for cleaning. Suppose I have a data set which consists of missing values, either a name or date of birth or a register number or anything has been missed in the data set. See, what I'm saying is generative AI is the one, just like our cooking room, where it consists of lot of AI. Whichever AI you want to use, you can use your own AI, but it depends upon your practice. So this smart data cleaning, suppose I want to clean the data or I want to find out the anomalies or missing values, then I can go and choose this data. If you go for research, we cannot able to show 100 records or 50 records or 500 records. We have to go either a million records. When I show the million records, I cannot able to sit and find all the anomalies or all the missing values. So for that, here we are having a 1.8 auto machine learning platform. 8 auto machine learning platform, and look at that. I'll go with that website and I'm making here, right? And I'm going to make it here. You can see this is about 8 Auto ML website, and you can see this is called Run AI. When you explore the world, there are a lot of AIs are allowed. Lot of AI. You can see in my screen itself how many aggregators: K2View, Ninja, data analysis, that is of Popeye, and you can see Black Box AI and Zoho. What I've taken yesterday, Beautiful AI, like that. There are so many AIs are there. Now our problem is which AI I have to use for which purpose. That's the one thing you have to understand. Now, so this is what about 8 Auto ML solution, and this is also one AI platform which is used to guide here. And you can see these are all the 8 platform AIs. So I just explore it. I'm not going to in-depth concept of each AI, but I'm just exploring. So what is Run AI? You can see Run AI. If you want to use any machine learning platform, then you can use Run AI. I think the research can be very comfortable and you can go with the feasibility when you go with an AI. But we should be aware of it, what we are going to do this one. So this is what about a Run AI. And if you are interested in Google Cloud, you can use the Google Cloud, but Google Cloud is not a free version. We have to pay or we have to subscribe with your mail ID. And this sklearn, it is mainly focusing on Python. Mainly focusing on Python. And if your research is mainly focusing on predictive model or classification or clustering, then you can use this one. See, why I'm saying this, I'm not particular to the generative, since the concept is of data analytics. I'm going with all the types of AI which is being here. The next one, it is called about an ML box. So you can see that ML box is for machine learning, and AutoKeras also is there. And this is mainly for kiosk devices, especially if you use for touchscreen devices. Any touchscreen devices you are going to activate, then you can come here. It is of, see here, there are 2 keywords which is very important. One, it is of text classifier, and another one is of image classifier. And next, you can see this is a platform. Just I'm saying that first standard we have to learn this one, second standard we have to learn this one, third standard we have to learn this one, 10th standard we are going to learn this one, and 12th standard we are going to learn this one. The same way I'm explaining here. Whichever concepts you are interested, the participants who you needed, which A you have to get practice, you can go here. Sir, my research is mainly focusing on image classification, then or text classification. Then you can go here with the concept of AutoKeras, which is used to solve all the data, and even the algorithms can be generated, right? And here, when I come for algorithm based, suppose my project is mainly focusing on generating a machine language model. And you can see, I'll go back bigger size so that you can see here. Everything is available in the website. I'm not doing that. Just I'm exploring the content here. So when I come for here, it is mainly building and training a machine learning model, especially it is of pre-processing or selecting. Then I have to go for auto model. And you can see Amazon Lex. This is if your environment is with cloud, you want to make it cloud. And if you are interested with Amazon Alexa virtual assistant, then you can go for Amazon Lex here. This is what the thing. And next one, it is of Azure. So these are the 8 Auto ML AI where it's coming under one AI, which is called as a Run AI. So the first part is of data collection, right? In that first part, first thing it is of automation. Second thing is of smart data cleaning. So I want to clean the data, then I can use among these 8. See, what I'm teaching is not only these 8, there are a lot of more than 1000 MLs are there for this data cleaning based on AI. AI based ML, which used for smart data cleaning. Thousands of AI is there. Among that, I'm taking 1 or 2 and I'm exploring the concepts here. And third one, it is of data annotation and structuring. How to go for classification, how to structure or how to unstructure. And here we are having a one AI, it is called as a BERT AI. And this is mainly focusing on sentimental analysis. Sir, what is the difference between syntax analysis and semantic analysis is that? When I go for syntax, if you write the code in the proper syntax and it is going for analysis, that is called syntax analysis. If the logic is different, for example, if I write if of A, similarly fi of A, the compiler cannot understand the difference. The compiler never checked that. If means it is a statement, whereas if I put fi, then it will be considered as a function and passing a parameter. So the compiler will not generate any errors if you write fi of A or if of A. But human mistake is, instead of if, I'm making the word replace, that is of fi. So this is called as a semantic. And when I come for sentimental analysis of customer feedback, what the feedback has been given, whether from the feedback, I can understand that whether the participants or understand the concepts or not. Good, sir. Excellent, sir. These are all the keywords, right? Little to be improved or something should be changed. All those things should be coming under the partial values. And bad or worst, then I can say that it is a worst case analysis. Based on the customer feedback, we can get the details, right? And you can see that this data annotation can be used for images, text, and audios. More GPTs are using here, right? Anyway, I'm coming here with the BERT API AI. This is also one of the AI. When you look at the net, you just simply put in the Google search or any AI also. List out the AI for data processing. If you put more than 100 will be coming here. I'm not joking. Just you put list of AI for classification with minimum of 10 or minimum of 20. Automatically 20 AI you can be listed here. Right now you can see this is about BERT API, which is called as an encoder. Normally this is all used by the research people. Encoder and decoder formulas has been implemented by the programmers, especially the corporate people. And the researchers also nowadays, they have started here with an encoder, which is very simple for classification or testing or prediction algorithm. And this is what about the BERT AI. And it is also one of the AI which is mainly focusing on machine languages and especially machine language algorithm you can see here. And it is also help us. See, now I want to make one AI chatbot for your working page. It is very simple. It not takes more than 1 week to create like that. If you are really interested in coding, you can go here. And you can see nowadays help in predicting the text when we are writing the email. Of course, when we are writing the official email, we have to think about the statements, how to write and how the way of understanding is that. And nowadays the circulars generated by the colleges or universities, they are just sitting in the chat GPT and they are generating the circular. Even if you want to write any personal letter to the higher officials or official letters to the higher officials, now we are not thinking on your own. Just we are coming here and sitting with the chat GPT and writing the content and copy it and paste it and we are getting a printout. This is what the trend is going on with the help of AI. So per day, previously, around 5 years back, we never use any AI. Just like Corona, when Corona comes, everyone started learning online education. If the Corona is not there, we may not know that whether we will come for this online courses or not. Since Corona has came, Corona virus has been came here, so that everyone started with the online classes and online processing. Now we are familiar with that. Like that only. Previous 5 years, we have never touched AI. Now, without AI, I cannot able to go for my work per day. I need an AI for my support, either personally or officially or a research side. So without AI, I can't able to do anything. This is what the strategy, because of time consuming. I no need to think and I no need to write. Better we can go with the chat GPTs. This is what the current situation is there. We may not know how the generation is going to be generated mode. So you can see this is about BERT AI, which is coming here for supervised and non-supervised. And you can see the differences also. It is autoaggressive, whereas here you can see can process the text from left to right and right to left also. That is another one thing. This BERT API can do it. Can process the text from left to right and right to left also. So I can go with any languages like that. And you can see the score of the output here. If you use the BERT AI, you can see the score, which is of glue score, it is of 80, whereas here it's coming here, it is about 93. This is the data has been provided by the website, right? So this is all the things about AI here, BERT AI. And next thing, so the first point we are discussed about data collection, in that automation. Second one, smart data cleaning. Third one, it is of annotations with BERT API. Now I move on to the second category, which is called as data analysis. As usual, I said that if I pass the data, what I've shown in the demo, if I pass the data with, I want to go with the chart or whatever the concepts you want, if the raw data, we can able to take it. So this is what the concept of explorative of data analysis. You can go with your research also. What is the data? How many percentage is needed? Everything we can calculate it and we can able to generate it. If you wanted the code also, you can get the code and you can implement the code and you can go for performance evaluation. Suppose I had a one data set. I want to know the performance accuracy, how far the accuracy of my data set, and I have to go with certain algorithms and we have to go and execute that code with the Python or some other thing. But we know here, even if you send the code, performance code, it will be generated here with an accuracy. What is the accuracy of this data? What is the accuracy of this data? Like this, we can go here. And any algorithm can be implemented, and you can go with and compare PCA, principal component analysis algorithm, with Navy basis with a particular data set. The comparison can be generated. Suppose you want an algorithm or pseudocode, you can able to generate the pseudocode with the help of ChatGPT. So these are all the things which is of coming under that category. It is of explorative of data analysis. And here, this is another one thing. Really, I was surprised when I go through these concepts and I take more time on this. You can see 44 predictive analysis free AI. It is never, I can't able to digest itself. Then what the researchers are going to do it? How many? See, according to my knowledge, I have searched here, and one website has provided nearly 47 predictive analysis of free AI. I do not know what the human hereafter going to do that with the AI. I think AI will dominate the human if we allow them. Now you can see I'm going here with 47 predictive AI analysis. If you know one, see, that is a website as provided. I am not saying anything. A single website has provided a top predictive analytics softwares, which has been AI. And you can see here, all these things are AI. So I can go here with all the AI which has been here, right? What are all the AIs which has been, which is all related with an AI. And you can see lot of AIs. I cannot able to explore all those things because whichever you are comfortable, you can go with that. So this is the thing about the AI. Not only this, I simply if I type also, you can see I close all the remaining AIs. It will be slow here, right? What are all I taken yesterday class also that. So I close every AI. Now, suppose simply you can go through the website, how far your exploration knowledge is there. Suppose I'm going here, right? I'm going with the Google and list out list out any 10 free data analysis, right? Analysis AI tools. You can see these are all the things has been provided by the search engine. Now you understand that these are the contents provided by the search engine. Whereas now I'll go with the Ninja, the same question I'm going to ask. List out any 10 free data analysis to AI tools. Look at this is the thing I have to make it right. So you can see here. So these are all the free data analysis tool, especially Google Data Studio. If you go to Google Data Studio, it's very simple. And you can go here. It is of Google Data Studio. I'll go with it to Google Data Studio. And it is making with the Data Studio, right? You can go here. So once see, this is the report here. Very simple. Suppose I want to add a data source, right? I can go for adding a data source. If you have a own data source, you can see here, I have created in the April 2020, not now, right? And you can create a report in which way you want. You can create a report based on my data set. In 2020 itself, we have started doing this one. You can see the report generation, which format you want, which data you want to add, which page you want, how many page you want. You can see here. See, all the data will be there. I have to take one class, separate class for this data sheet alone. Google Data Studio, because I have been practiced in the year of 2020, and we can generate whatever the report you want within a fraction of a second. Even if you add one data, the data can be generated. So you can see, I can go here manual, and like that we can come back also, right? So you can see that these are all the things we can see. Once again, I'll go back. You can see here. So you can see here, when I see in the January 2021, I created this website file first report with the data science in the year of January 2021. And it will be very comfortable in order to generate a report, Google Analytics, or if you want to go here. So these are all coming under the category, right? So how far you are going to utilize, see, you can see the record, how far it has been generated from September 24th to 22. So what is the range of the data set? Everything can be generated with the help. If your research is mainly focusing on report, then we can come here, data analysis, right? So this is all coming under the data analysis with the predictive. So what I've taken here, it is mainly focusing on predictive analysis. Next thing we are going here, it is called as an anomaly detection. I want to find out the anomaly detections to find the way of where the problem has happened. Sometimes when we are working with Wi-Fi, suppose my Wi-Fi connection is there, within a fraction of a second or within a 2 minutes, the Wi-Fi will be cut and my entire process will be stopped. And once again, it will be coming up. We may not know what is the reason for disconnecting of the Wi-Fi network. So I want to find out the anomalies. What is that? Why this reason has been happened? Suppose if you are using a sensor and you are taking a data from the sensor, we can't able to say all the seconds the data has been retrieved due to disturbance of air or due to the disturbance of surroundings. The voice, the data which has been stored, maybe have some missed data also there or anomalies will be there. So in order to find out the anomaly, suppose I'm using a real-time sensors to take the data. And you cannot, 1 hour I'm taking class. If you record all the voices, we cannot able to say we get a clear images of the data. There may be some break will be there. Why this break happened? What happened? Whether it is a network problem or the data problem or the surroundings problem or the storage problem. So I want to find out the detection. In such a cases, I can go for one AI. This is also AI. I'm talking about only AI. And this is called as anomaly detection. And you can see the demo which has been given here. You can see on my screen how far they are still, they are utilizing. You can see everything has been given in the demo. This is a very, if your AI, if you want to do a research, if you are a biological person or a research persons, and if you want to find out the anomalies from the given images, then you can go for this one AI, and you can see that it is a Saiva.ai. And you can see the demo which is on my right hand side is going on for this is a simple demo for online, and especially it is for an anomaly detection. My research is mainly focusing on anomaly detections. Then we can go here. And especially cybercrime or the person who is going with the crime with in order to make it with an image processing, we can able to find out. So this is all coming under anomaly detection online demo. You can see that this is a one AI. So if I go with an AI, there are a lot of AIs are there, and each AI we can take 1 day class. This is the thing we can come here. So this is about anomaly detection. And so this is mainly focusing on anomaly detection. So when I come for data analysis, first one is predictive. Second one, it is of anomaly detection. And third one, this is extraordinary. I have to say that. The one A which is very popular, it is of DAL-E and DAL-E3 and DAL-E3-2, which is used for complex data. I want to generate the diagram or image based or visualization. The third topic, we are mainly focusing on visualization. See, the second topic, it is of data analysis. The first topic, it is of data collection. So coming here, first one is data collection. Second one, it is of data analysis. And third one, you can see here, visualization, DAL-E. I propose, if you are interested, you can go here with DAL-E concepts, and you can see here, what is this going to do that? If you have an image, the image can be changed into a clarity with an AI. This is what DAL-E. Suppose you have an old image. Understand that suppose your father, your parents' marriage photo is there with black and white. You can come here and you can change it with a very attractive with the 3D levels. We can able to go here, and you can see here. Now look at see how they are changed. You can see the demo from the DALL-E. This is a very I was very really impressed, and most of the Insta reels, the person who is dancing, the same thing they have come in with a 3D view, they want to make it, then they can go here. Look at this, how far they are changing in DAL-E2. This is version 2. And this is also a ChatGPT only. You can see it is openai.com. And you can see the clarity of image. This is what most of the person, those who are doing a reels, Insta reels, they are going with this AI and they are generating their photos in AI, and you can go here. So these are all the concepts which has been coming under DAL-E version 3. Sorry, this is version 2, right? And you can see, suppose if you want to collaborate, how far they are generating. Whatever the photo, you just upload your photos. Now you can look at that. You can change any images according to your thing. What you are thinking, that can be done here. So this is what about DAL-E version 2. And if you are really interested in image processing, And if you want to make your photos very younger and very youth and with all the filtering and everything, this AI will take you to a very peculiar mode in this category. If you are utilizing this, it will be very interesting, right? So this is DAL-E. And now I'll move on to DAL-E3. This is also, we can come here. This is about DAL-E3. So if you are interested to go with the DAL-E3 also, I'll come here once again. I'll go back and you can see the demos also. You can see the DAL-E3 versions. Right. You can see this is the way of DAL-E3 is now available with ChatGPT user. So we can go here with, see, suppose I want to make it. So the distance building with an inspired architectures, right? So all those things here. So if you click here, you can see if you want to give any demo, you can go with the demos also. This is version 3. Right? So now ChatGPT, even ChatGPT is with the help of ChatGPT, you can go here with that normal ChatGPT, and it is a free version. No need to go for any paid version. So these are all the content which is coming under visualization, data collection, data analysis, and I'm coming here. It is of visualization, and there are a lot of tools there. That's what I'm saying. That if we go for every topics, we can take one day with an AI, and we can go with in depth if you are interested to go here. So this is all the thing is that. And next thing you can see here, narrative creations. Of course, I think you know what I have to say hereafter. AI will take in charge. I may not know whether after next 5 years the AI will take class. May also. Not the human is going to take class. Better the AI will take class. I think so. Let me check. Let me go for the future generation. Instead of human sitting and explain the concept, if AI sit and explain the concept, that will be very peculiar. Maybe we will expect that in the next 5 years, right? And next one, we are coming here. It is about trend analysis. This is our fourth point. We are mainly focusing on trend analysis and forecasting. So if my concept is mainly focusing on traffic or climate or weather conditions or humidity, my research is oriented on that one, then I can go for one concept. It is called Propet AI. Everything is AI. Whatever I'm showing in the screen, you may not know that. See how many AIs had been taken for 1 hour. Lot of AI has been generated by various companies. Now the competition is only with the AI. So we have to practice. The human has to interact with the AI in order to make their data comfortable. So this is what about proper AI for data feed. And you can see this is the, if you go for the thing, this is the AI, proper AI, where we can go for personally or anything. So if you are interested, you can go with that view and you can go for anything. So if you want, this is what about the proper AI, right? So you can see how far it is going with the public information, how far we are getting the feedback, all those things is coming under the proper AI. So I don't want to go that. Next one, we are coming here with Arima AI. This is another one AI, which is used by Neptune. The real world time series of forecasting. So if your research is mainly focusing, especially you can see that the free experimental tracking for academic researchers, professors, and students are hagglers. They are giving a document also. If your research is mainly focusing on data science, or if your research is mainly focusing on with climatic conditions, then you can see here, this is what Arima, what is doing here. So data processing for data pre-processing for the time of forecasting. You can see the forecasting level. What is the level of forecasting? And AR. It is a regressive. Just I'm going exploring. I'm not going with an in-depth. Just I'm going, what is the pound used here? And you can see the code also, they will be generated, which is very easy to generate, and we can show the code also. So this is another one AI, which is mainly focusing on trend analysis and forecasting. So data collection, data analysis, visualization, and trend analysis and forecasting of generative AI. So this is the fourth point which are coming here. And here we are going here with the scenarios of simulation. So if you want to make a simulation of forecasting, so I want to make a simulation of a forecasting can also be done here with the help of trending analysis and forecasting of generative AI. So this is the fourth point. And fifth point, it is of, it's really another one, biggest surprise when I go through the concepts. It is of automating insight. It will be automatically fine. Suppose I'm adding a very big village. in that I'm working, I want to find out the person, then I have to go with either a drone camera or either with the satellite images. Or clear, suppose an elephant in the forest is coming to the NH road, then you know that the reserved area people will be coming before half an hour the elephant is going to cross the road, and they will safeguard the elephant with the help of satellite image processing, and the intimations will be handed over to the research officers and the forest officers, reserved forest officers, and they will be coming and standing on the NH before half an hour the elephant has to cross, and they will block the road. Still the elephant has to cross the road. Once the elephant has the road, the road will be free. So they are protecting the animals with the help of image processing techniques. And this is all the thing has been happening in the reserved forest areas. So you can see this is a one website. It is called as an automation AI. You can see now. Look at that word. Reimagine your business generative AI. This is called as a generative AI. See how far the cameras, it is not drone. It is an image processing technique. The AI will take care of the entire part of the land, and you can see how far it is zooming. It is from the satellite images. Look at that carefully. From the single point, it is taking overall point, and we can able to find out. Now, this is the way that if the elephant is there, so suppose this is a concept that the person who is standing here, you can see that it can go here with the overview of the data, and we can able to go with the data analytic, and this is the forecasting also. Suppose if it is flood, my village area, my agriculture part has been flooded, how much water has been drawn, everything can be done with the help of the researchers. Yeah. So this is what the thing which is coming here. It is called as an automating insight and recommendation. What I have to do next if my agriculture land has been spoiled by the animals. So this is all coming under business side also, agriculture and everything is there. So this is our fifth point. It is about automation, insight, and it is about recommendations. So this is our fifth point, all the analytics data. And next one, it is of custom report. Of course, I told about the Google Studio. And we can also generate a report which level you want, or what is the level of your report is needed. Everything can be generated. And if you put this one also, so for example, you can go and search for a custom report of AI. It will produce a minimum of 10, or if you want 20 AI also, it can be able to produce here. For example, I will go here. You can see in Ninja, better we can ask here Ninja itself. List out any 10 free, okay, custom report AI for students database, right? I'm going to write it. Right? So you can see all the list of 10 AIs, right? It will produce, see how many AIs it has, really it is, we have to suspect, see how many AIs are there. So hereafter, that's what I'm saying, that everyone must be practicing to do with an AI, and you can see the list of AIs, which is for students alone. Like that, you can go for in-depth concepts of AI. So you can see no need a person to teach you AI. You can go with your process and you can come here. So this is what about the AI of, I'll go here, sorry, yeah, I'll go here. Now you can see this is the process which you are coming here on automation site of custom report. So whichever thing we want, you can go here with the custom report of an AI. And next thing I'm coming here, it is about personalization of dashboard or analytical system. Suppose in my personal, I want these are all the things in my dashboard, in my system. I want this one, my personal details, my financial details, my officials details, my academic records or officials records, everything I want to create, I want to store it in one of my papers in report. So for the last year, what are all the things I have been done here? Academically or personally or financially, what are all the things has been done here? So I want to create a dashboard. A dashboard is something that it will be coming in our front with all the applications, so that I'm using here the personalized dashboard analytics. So now look at here. I'm going to, once again, I'm coming here. This is another one AI, which is called as Mag Data AI, which is user-friendly code. And this is another one AI, which transforming the data. So whatever the data you want, you can go here. I'm not going in depth, just I'll come here with an exploration. transforming a data into a decisioning of lightning speed. So you can see that what are all the things we can come here and how far it taken, everything we can go with the concept. And this is also one of the AI which has been used here to make it the process. So you can see this is about a personalized data. Even we can make it. I think we can hereafter we can create one AI and we can establish one AI and we can go here. So this is what about the personalized data, personalized dashboard with an analytical systems. So this is a sixth point, and you can say that it is about conversational analytics. It is very conversational. Just we can ask here, whatever we can say that. Just like a question, free questions you can ask here. What about the tomorrow's temperature? It is quite normal. No need a search engine will give us it from the API. Or clear. So you can give the informations with the queries, whatever the queries you want, whatever. Now I no need to ask anyone if I have any doubts in any research side or official side. I will go and chat with ChatGPT and I just discuss with him. I want this one. I want this one. Please give me this one. So this is called as a conversational analytics. You can go with either a voice chat or you can go with a query based or you can go with any analysis also. But you must understand that what are the keywords if you give to the AI, it will provide the data. That's the one important aspect. Which keyword if you give to the ChatGPT, we can able to establish the data. So that's the one thing is needed. Suppose if you want an image in ChatGPT, it can give it, but it will not be appropriate for our side. So we have to provide the correct keyword to the ChatGPTs and we have to make the process. So this is what about the personalized dashboard analytics here. The seventh one, it is about real time monitoring and predictive the alerts. Very important. Really, this is another one surprise for me. Suppose I'm going to use a IoT and sensor in my research. There is a certain AI which is going to support with the sensor and our applications also. Really, it is marvelous when you go for the real time. Suppose I'm having an Android board, Arduino board, sorry, it is Arduino board. And I'm going to connect with the sensors and I'm going to implement the tool, whichever the tool is necessary, I'm going to implement in my laptop and I'm going to connect with my sensors. And this AI, it will support you how to make it very effectively. Just like one person will come and sit with the person who had a sensor knowledge, consider that. A person who had a very good sensor knowledge and the person who had a very good application knowledge is coming and sitting with us in order to make this project successfully completed. The same way, this AI will monitor and provide alert to the users. And that AI, it is called as, you can see, it is called as across MLH. You can see the website, integration of generative AI with IoT and edge computing. It's really marvelous. Just, I don't have a sensor knowledge. Be frank, I don't have so many sensor. I don't have a sensor knowledge. So then what happened? I used to sit with the sensors and I connect with the AI and this AI is providing the right decision. You please make a connections here. You write the code. So suggestions has been provided here. So this is what one AI cross ML, which has been used here. So this is, you can see the cases also. So these are all the types of AIs with the sensors, with the auto code generators like that, it has been provided here. So this is very important aspects when you go for sensor related projects. We may not know when you come for the next generation. If it is of biological related also, there are a lot of biological AI is also there. So this is a seventh point about real predictive and predictive alert also. It's going to be provide an alert. And you can see that. Example, monitoring the health data from the wearable devices and provide an instant analysis of patient health metrics. Then what the researcher is going to do? It will monitor the health data and of the wearable devices, whatever the sensors we are using here, and initiate that. Then what about our research side? Then what we can able to do with the medical line? Suppose if I want to do with the sensor side. So these are all the things is coming under real monitoring and predictive alert concepts. And this is about AI driven alert. That's what I told that. all the failures or potential. Even I told that nowadays AIs are used in the reserved forest areas. That's what. If elephant is coming, see in the elephant, they used to make one button, like yellow color buttons will be in the elephant, in the forest side I'm talking about. Based on that sensor, it will predict it and it is going to cross. The elephant will cross only in the same way, not in the different way. A single elephant is a problem. A group of elephant is not a problem. If a group of elephant is going to cross it, it will inform to the automatically predictive alert has been given to the reserve forest people. And those people will be coming and block the entire area. Still, the elephant has been crossed here. So this is what the thing has been coming up here when I come for real monitoring and predictive alerts here. And next one, of course, I think we can go with an end of the, mostly I'm coming with the end. It is a tool and platform for generative AI. Okay, we can go with the data robot or Microsoft Azure machine learning, right? We can go with an open AI chatbot. It is quite common in these cases. And you can see here, now I'll go here. And what are all the benefits? So when I come for AI techniques, what are all the benefit? One, it is of speed. Yes, of course. But one thing the participants should understand that, sir, you are teaching, you are shown me so many AIs. Which AI I had to use it? It depends upon your interest and your involvement in order to reduce the work. Suppose you want to generate a report AI, go for any report-free report AI if you want, and go and practice in that AI so that it will be helpful in order to generate the reports here. And second one, you can see scalability. So suppose I'm having a 1,000 data or 10 million data and I have to prove it. Now, for researchers, it is very difficult. The first question they will ask by the supervisor, already the AI will generate, then what you will generate? This is one of the biggest question. You must be understand that. So your competitor is not a human being. Your competitor must be an AI. So most of the researchers has to think that if the AI has produced that, then what is the need of your research or your proposed solution? So your competitor is not a human nowadays. Your competitor is a machine. You want to compete with a machine with an analytical tools, and you have to generate a proposed solution compared to the machines. Now I have shown so many AIs. For 3 days itself, I have shown many, so 50 AIs I have been here. Where previous 2 years back, we may not know what is AI. We know that artificial intelligence and all the artificial intelligence are used by the most of the researchers. Now all the AI has been generated. What the researchers is going to do next? How far they are going to compete with the recent AI? If you put your topic also, the AI will generate with very good accuracy, with performance evaluation. So this is the one thing you have to understand. So one, it is of speed. Second one, it is of scalability, how far you're going to do that. And third one, it is called as a personalization, how far you're going to use a personalization. And fourth one, you can go for continuous learning, very important about the continuous learning. So this is about the benefits of generative AI for data analytics. And last one, the very important challenges and consideration. So now the target is challenge. First one, we have to challenge how to talk with the AI. First, you must get practice with an AI, how to provide the words to the AI in order to retrieve your own data. And what is the next one? It's of explainability. That's what I'm saying that. As a human, you should think about the AI, how far you are going to give the data and how far you are going to collect the data from the AI. And you have to make work with an AI. So that is the second point. And third point, it is of ethical AI. Very, very important. Very, very, very important. It is ethics. So whenever you're using an AI, we have to use it for the positive manner in order to make the researchers very positive. And this is what about the ethical AI, so which is used for the decision making process. So I think we can see that the heading, once again, I'll go very fastly. What are all the things we have been discussed here? Just wrap up. So you can see first point, it is of data collection. Certain AIs are there. Next one, it is of data analysis. Third point, it is of visualization. Fourth point is of trend analysis and forecasting. And fifth point is of automation insight. Sixth one, personalized dashboard. Seventh one, real-time monitoring. And eighth one, it is of tool and platform. Of course, the last two is of benefits and it benefits and the challenges, right? So these are the contents which is coming under the heading of building a complete analysis. So I think I can stop with that. With the overall, I have given the various AIs which has been provided in these cases. So up to 10 points has been given here. So better I can end my session of today's session. So I would like to thank all the participants, and if you have any queries, I can able to solve the queries also. Any queries, if you have, please, you can able to chat with us. Or I want the feedback about all the 3-day sessions. Please, I request all the participants. I think 28 participants are there here, I think so. So I request all the participants to give the feedback about the 3-day sessions, which is handled by me. So whether it is informative or any suggestions to improve the workshops from this side, from the RC Hub academic side, any suggestions, please? No suggestions, sir. Okay. Is there any suggestions or any clarifications or any queries the person who is being there? If yes, we can, sir, session was, yeah, please give me the feedback so that it make me to a positive results. Okay. Session was very, really informative, yes, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you for all the participants, but one request, you have to go through the AI. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. I think hereafter the chatbot is also coming with AI, right? I think so. We hope for the future. Hereafter, I don't think human will take class hereafter. Will you share the recordings with us? Yeah, it is available in the Hub website, RC Hub Academic Group website. If you go through that, you can take the videos. You can download the videos of these 3-day sessions also. Yeah, thank you very much for all the participants. So with that, I can end my sessions. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Contact RC Hub International Foundation for Research and Education. WhatsApp 9888 231 231.